Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create a plugin. So we are not going to build a plugin from the scratch or something like this. We were going to use the WordPress plugin boilerplate generator. So it will give you the basic boilerplate where you can activate or deactivate the plugin, right? We have two, three modes like generator and this create plugin, add all this, but I think the simplest one is this one. So here I'm going to add my plugin name and the plugin slug. So here I'm going to add Rajnikant, and plugin slug would be we are going to create the REST APIs for this. So we are going to add custom API, and plugin URI. You can say Rajnikant.com, and here this is nothing. Author name Rajnikant, author email Machento developer 1993 at the rate gmail.com. Author URI Rajnikant. Okay, build plugin. Custom API zip ready. Extract it. Copy this. Go to the WordPress which we have. Where is WP content plugins? Paste it. Okay. So let's go to the WordPress and check localhost WordPress admin. Okay, so let's go to the plugins, and you can see that Rajnikant plugin we have created now. I think we have created the two one. Previous one is also. Let's activate this also. Okay, this plugin is also. This is a short description. So plugin is activated, and you can do with the settings. So you can see that the plugin is there. There's a short description and displayed, and you can see that plugins. So I think I have already made the custom one, I guess. Books I have made, no. Books might be this is the plugin, or we can check the index.php. There is nothing. Okay, so this is how we can create the plugin, like activate and deactivate, but we don't have the, like, you can say, settings page. Like if I want to add something like fields, like these are the fields I want to save it or something like this, that is not available here. So the basic funda is that we are able to create the plugin, and now we are going to customize it according to our needs. So first step, to activate and deactivate, you can see that deactivate also, and similarly you can activate also, right? You can delete also. So this functionality is working for this side. Now we are going to in the next coming videos we are going to learn about how to create the REST APIs on the custom plugin, and how to create the settings tab in the custom plugin, and then we will go proceed and by proceed. So let's be with me in the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.